Tariki mirongweli mweri na nandiro seneti yaringire kura na kuingata Kawira Mwangaza ya gavana wa kaunti ya Meru. Ende Kawira reta kiri koti na koti yethira imwa conservatorial orders chekwithira mutuma akanywithu muma. Ende Kawira ethira choko obisine na mawakili bawe bawa hari obisine na abati kwithira akiamukira motungata yonde yara abati kwithira yakiamukirwa ni gavana ora abati kwithira ari obisine na ntukwerwa nte kwanda kwari muno. Senator wa Meru Kathuri Murungi na andikirite control of budget aimwira etikiria mbesa cia Meru achithire ikiya nontu eambare koti netere monkara eambare kethare keitwa. Ende control of budget ethira ke gazeti untubo na uwabo ibamukirite onda kuma kirekoti eti Kawira Mwangaza no we governor Meru ankwendo mukoti urandikite ndaika inka indhiru wete my position still stands that Meru governor Kawira Mwangaza should stood impeached and ceased to hold office at 182E on the 20th day of August 2024. The deputy governor should be acting to avoid a vacuum at 179.5. Number 2, akawa my position stands that the control of budget should only release recurrent monies to the Meru County government. Any other expenditure should wait determination of the petition filed in Milimali courts by the governor. Number 3, akawa the COB has been drawn into the muddy waters of politics by selecting not to interpret the conservatory orders properly. She released my reply to the governor and went viral even before the letter got to my office. Kenya systems are crumbling down. That is all for today. Eune miario ya Senator Meru Kathuri Murungi na Deputy Speaker kire mbunge ya Senate. Utuko baruare turechiure ni biyo ngobi kuendelea ndani ya county ya Meru. Jumatatu ni kware na maandamano. Oyoro ni kurari na maandamano na kwenda yange ya kwerekana ya kethira yeku ntugo ya royo. What is going on? Nino ntoka Kawira Mwangaza ari obisine. Watho ni bobo kuwa. Ni bo ndasira cheno ni koti kuwa. Kire itu muongea wa Kawira Mwangaza ari itene illegally. Niyo akili okumenyekana kwa itarira ya mno na former governor wa Meru. Tukubaruare arena batu kulukura 40188 namba yetu ya SMS to live kire Facebook to live kire YouTube na kedra nkithoma tumire chiaku wala tuita na mbere na mubango yona rikana ututhia ata kire Twitter @WeroTV twithire Twitter na mbere kumenya mantu nkuluki kinyo kulukira mutandao na @mutembe_3 withire wikira comment yeku kedra nkithoma tuita na mbere tukubaruare baraba ngwati rwariro ndi na Eric Kimath ni muthui wa siasa na Franklin Karute ni umwe wa atongeria ba New Dawn na musiasa ndene ya county ya Meru. Karibuni sana. Now, Kim kama mbiriria na owe ngwitikia ukuibwa mantu ndathoma kuma kiri Senator wa Meru Kathuri Murungi arua bando as it stands Kawira tenga vano Meru arobisine illegally utumana abati kwethari utake over in acting capacity nonto uteva kiuma abati kwethari ukiri utongeria bo. Kathuri Murungi ka kuringa siasa kana ka kuthia tawatho.
Thank you very much for kutondera kanya ugorwa narwa na ingwitikia kambuge one Senator Kathuri Murungi nena responsibility ira ni mwananchi as far as tukuga there is a independent body nderengi Kathuri Murungi ena responsibility. One, kuensure resources iko janturene na kuensure ni gutumika bwaga unio part of responsibility. Two, kuthithia communication ya kuita ku request control of budget kumwanikania that there is a case pending, there is case in enderete. Please mantuja development kambe chaingi nontuira ndikona barua the first time ndonere request yawe ya kuri ku tikorugeka mechara na mbecha cia gutumira current expenditure igutumira mbecha cia iwingi cha development and na witi na mbere nontu wichi na mitaratara kambuge opinion yakwa is that Kawira ceased to hold office the first day, the first account ya mbere ya substantiatory ni senator. Ya mbere kura ikungana chia kuinga Kawira the first account ya mbere au niyo Kawira Mwangaza ngogewe ethirire kwa githumi umarire ati na mathaga kana kugwata kwithura ni governor wa Meru. Two, kinya conservative onda dira chia jandirwe kambitikanire samaul na mheshimiwa Kirito Murungi that court iti acta reverse kana ite nge reverse ugaga that one nonto gazeti ra ithirwe ichoka kumirungika. What I believe court prohibita what will happen mbere na niyo direction probably court yugite iromba ria romba ko utirore yakinyire governor Kawira Mwangaza achoka ofisini, but you see mawakili tofauti no uria kulingana na different areas nacho. For example, ampeja nengerekano kidogo imkina Mumiru agwataza. For example, with a live matter dhaiji ya governor probably urawa gwatakanira makosa wakiri oe ndira bakwaraniria kotini kamukariti na the moment ruling ikathithwa wakiri akaumara mwarijo ongete nae at prison. The same case nikinkweja na ngerekano eji the moment Kawira Mwangaza inyake thora clinging ikukera kukwatira ari ofisine by virtue of ruling ne thithiro na senate ne communicate she ceased to hold office until mantuza jonde chakarikane chakana just streamline. But you also there is a factor anto bara ile case ya Wambura muno, but no one talked about ya Waitito na Sonko. Na remember case cause I court gitarire ugategera ruling yao yugere impeachment chamber ni county assembly. Senate ngoge yao iko gwitikaniria kana kuregana na kuringana na mataratara. Ko the moment Kawira Mwangaza nyaremerwe kuita kuitetera there is she still ate na inya kana authority kuthora ofisine, lakini no tunakwenda ku clean. Remember we also have 10 days ila tukaga ni chieja na wacha ku yes, but you see theatrics kana drama tukoona within the circles chia leadership, but the reality is Kawira ceased to hold office by manya ugeta kotini bwana Mutembe katwitikanirie ugeta kotini kwa hiyo kesi yeku koti akweza order based on what you presented. Na probably the case court netare kwa preview to what has happened probably kwa kwithirwa kweza no kwirwa what had transpired at the Senate to gazette notice na reko gitate kwa affected kwa gazette. The argument ya mutuma that is a communique only kiri assembly kana resolutions ya communicate na gazette notice you find argument to code water notre rikana Waitito no akengwa na Nyoro igazeti no yumbere na that stood inerungamire that Waitito na impeached by that time. Remember no to gazette notice yo here the same gazette notice ya signed Rusaka by then that ya from resolution ya Senate that Waitito atepati ku hold office. The same case apply. Finally Mutembe, for example, ka suspended today from an office, you still go back to the office kana we tagwa appeal ukaraome wa appeal uliome. Those are the kind of questions mwananchi akoria.
Okay. Karote kwenda bo senator au ntikwenda tolele point use senator mbere to move forward. Senator arua control of budget na rare ku interpret ko sabature onda zora yani na move on ko gazettes budget yemero na uambesi kauma na arua system cia Kenya cia thirikari katio crab down. Na hata senator kwenda kuwariria mantu yao ka kwenda kuwa maybe kwena amwe ka untu bobura bwithikire muntu ambite gwikino urakoti kuwa.
Thank you bwana Edward. First kinyawinde mukari wa Meru na ndi Franklin Mwiti ndirenda kuwa kinyoge ya kwithwa ndi understand na layman understanding ya sheria nontoteka nthomete sheria. One kireo ndrasira the former governor erwe chiari cha kuriria implementations cia resolutions ira chiaite made ni Senate.
Okay.
Atathithitie orders cia kuiria gazettement itekathithwa kana cio quash the gazettement nontone ari kuthithwa. One of the biggest question irereo ni to the Attorney General NG, because I've seen interested parties even from within our locality writing to NG nikenda kuomba ku expound na guide accordingly ai mwanasheria wa thirikari. Madam Margaret are control of budget. One, makosa yarathithitie mbere na yarankuona she is compromised ni ku release barua to the governor instead ya uchogerio ura wa mutumirite barua. Even before senator receives the letter, nambi ambiririe mitandaweni. What does that mean? Kwa siasa sio chethwa. The control of budget na governor, the former governor wa Meru. And we have said it very clearly that if anything happens, okay, agutha kwina wamba bukathithika, because it is the control of budget, ora wawite 750 million cha Meru ite kuonekana ora itumikite. It is the same control of budget ora questions county no ntobo ritingwe bwayo na utumiri bwa mbecha bubuwe kweya woringi no rito kiuria anto achogeri ora umurite kiuria about ko spend na kunguide na and what akandika barua amituma kiri the bloggers and the proxy vangavana kana kinyanga vana iwe kwa tuika kinya urotumite barua aimionera kiri mitandao. That is very wrong. It is uncalled. Nonto wote mea witikirika ndene ya nthiguru yetu ya Kenya. Na nonto kuona bwana senator akiwa the some independent bodies they are crippling. It's true bwana Edward. How can you describe that? Na ataomba kwa bugu ingo tumirite barua. Ngakwira bona bobo tete bwega instead of reply ke won nani I publish it wora nda publish rera nda tumite wa tumira ki we mweleza mantu yakwa ni wiko kuriti. So it is not in order na mantu yara control of budget ya thithitie, it is uncalled na ikatu kwenda kuua itoleleti bila bikuendelea ndene Meru. Madam Kawira Mwangaza is no longer the governor of Meru. Ata thithiria orders cia kuua, the Gazette notice ya quashed arombere orders iteka implemented. So she is the former governor.
So Kawira ni former governor.
The governor of Meru.
No kuact the year governor of Meru.
The acting governor of Meru ni Isaac Mutumanto ethingia kuringana na katiba ya Kenya ache no deputy governor wa Meru. And that is the case. Na kinya wewe wakili oko ya kuona mantu yako yo kinya muntu akiorwawa utena habari wakili na defendi muntu orwanite muntu akamwa buruntu ngekwira umainda itire muntu nkingwa ndorwa lakini ukona wakili akiroma na kairia kuona nilia ni uma muntu kwa torwana ibokuri una na ndri ukiona the governors council bakiria ku defend na ku interpret buraba kweta bari interpret kuringana na bira bari antu bara batere imbia muchetho
ba bari
abaraba the council baba muthetaira. What I am trying to say kangu kwira atiri council ora ukuthetera governor kinya assembly kia kwithia ne place of course I without fear kana the eta waya kana ta weto the guy who defended Madam Governor na approach ne counter assembly atuika maybe their lead council lakini bieta chia iruongo ironkwenda ngwira atiri akia kwithiro irutere rwari tundri akitha interpret sheria ungi ukia kwithira mutuma irutero assembly akitha akiwa
so wakili ari interpret robo mufeva
ibira wikite methene na biro thananitie ibyo bikwariragia na wakili athetaira client oge mwanka koro wai muthetaira tura ngava no guthegwa na arua no bena wakili na muthetera arua muntu ataia na naire convicted na wati na 94 million na tumirite resources cia thirikari bubuwi na muntu ogeiro maka buruari muntu ataia itu abo mwakila. So it is a matter of the way you want to interpret lakini okia kwenda kuthikiria the renowned lawyers judges at baraba no some ndene thirikari na ndene Kenya you can see what they are writing. So whatever that we are seeing, we have to go on Meru and drama, but drama is coming to an end very soon.
How soon is soon?
Soon.
Kim, now, I don't know to kuya thai. Ameru bakuria kwa lewa nontu lawyers baba riwo bangi baka uwao. Ameru bari zotre wita kiri maandamano. Maandamano ye yambi ne yambarire rero reka mentionwa tariki 17 September maandamano yambi
Kambuge Mutembei Mkenya wonthe na right ya ku demonstrate kuigwa we ati satisfied na akethwa atenganiri ni manjiraja kuendelea inya kiwe na ina responsibility under article 34 kuga kuita go petition ofisine kugethwa tuti ku judgment kana ruling ile athithiro probably ya Senate that governor atebati kuthira ofisine, then Kenyans but they have a right na nuje hiyo right yao no tumbo ku bagang bogo tebati ku demonstrate na ingwitikania na every side ina right yawe, either the side ya kuga kurongamana na governor na yenge kurongamana ananchi kumara na gwiti haki yao. It's one of the things kuonania dissatisfactions kudhura batenganiri kudhura governor ya ofisine na atebati kudhura ofisine na hii gap hiyo ndi tukuona na dhaizi i pressure kupilwa that we need to understand iniki gitumi governor ali ofisine na i right yao actually na no kumenya na result iji chonde ichio kuona na ndi Kenyans bakiumara baka umara na mathiki na bariuga turone demonstration very successful na ikuwenye kunenge in a matter of demonstration. To me, I feel the reason why ananchi bakumira particularly waniki that senators iba approve impeachment process ya Kawira Mwangaza, but still Gavana Kawira Mwangaza ari ofisini na kizi nikingugo bana Mutembei Kenyans iba iberewe imbi kuendelea kuyu bakomenya probably gazette notice na umire ba compareaga impeachment cha thithwe nyingi teje mbere. Actually this is the keto tukuga ete mbere the impeachment cha thithwa na cha thirwa court kana mbite kwa ngaratania iketo myo kona mwamumeru akiuma thuri na akandamana na akaumira akaugare acha tutathithirwa haki na kambuge one on nyakango kana control budget ku ensure that there is kunenkadera inya ya kuendelea na utumiri mwa mbecha hapa county na kukwina kesi around ireo ibati kutegerwa ikie tukumiona ananchi baumirite na muthuro kingi nakyo ikuonania governor Pil ali ofisine na nakoran affairs na rikana Joe Karotia uga that no cited the issues either actually part of discussion at the Senate that kuna misappropriation kuna mbechi tumiribwaga na nande kwenda kuongelea murigo. The only honorable thing probably state irethero kinya kwa asset kinya the side ya governor kwa asset to budget era alingetera mantu zazo ndezake nontuza no witite kotini kuonania ye kugeria kuitetera na uraku kari kulingana gwetetera ura kadero. To me I feel Kenyans kana meru kaba igito frustrated non to the process irario na ikarajiba noginande kuendelea nande the first impeachment kwa upheld, though it's also a right yawe gwita kotini, lakini gwita kotini kwawe kubati kwithura atia kwina mathaga ja ofisi na kuendelea no at the end of the day katiba itieza na vacuum ya transition. Sheria ni very well on what will happen at the event iria governor ka impeach ko katibu wotere envisage a vacuum iketo miokona probably signed ya execution ya matuja jonte na rikana ntukuirio bado 10 days iketo ntukuire komi the first dash ditukaga ni ko so in kulingana na act reto ya kunyithia muma. Still time is there na ngotekenia matuja jonte mwananchi akonda jathithika jakathithika bakiegeria kuthithia kuweza na frustration chao jo kuona nande bana bathithite maandamano at that particular time.
Okay.
Kwa tema kosa ni haki yao bakuitia that as at now court ni Senate ne approve the process niki biure bibi ikio kuona mwananchi akiumara na mudhuru na demonstration iji ona ikithithwa ichumbite kuthithia ugaruruku bubingi muno ni tuonete ikitumio kuona Kenyans are very baije process iji gwita kuitia haki yao ni onete result from also the national government, even the county government iba kuenda accountability probably if the process irali sawa at least kinyabaraba as my brothers akuga nyoro usikite review kana usikite interpretation KIG then beja kuone there is a matter ya public interest na mataja yapati kutekwa very serious and very urgent kulingana na witi na mbere bwa
Wazela Okim. Karutengu kuona kiri nteto chia weru ukiwa duwe buketha bwikiri front line. Now my question is 17 September ndio kukethera kuina mention ya ambari. Is it not too early kiri babu kubwithia maandamano ya bugaya sustain mwaka tarehe 17?
It is very strange kwetoka wa Honduras na ukerwa this matter ni batere kwa hand with a lot of seriousness na one of the emergency case ile batere kwa lelo na ruwe na mpoe ende wa miende tarehe 17 mweri okenda na ure it is an urgent matter. I thought if it was an urgent matter era batere kwithwe kiumi kinya kithikiragwa lakini utumbo tu it is an urgent matter then you may push for almost a month na no it is an urgent matter. That's why we have resolved that tuatura as long as muntu arovichine illegitimate illegally muntu te batere kwithwa arovicine gesheria tukaandamana mwanka tumuturie
muntu oboku arobicine legally aina security ena into beyond
ate ukagua security ere kuria ngetine kwa gavana tis gavana egaritie
no
security ere biegariti premises okyo itara annex arambe house kana wa ita the other side treasury kana wa ita inya kwa ndrisire ka mivano eminene go to the deputy commissioner kana witaka commissioner wa Meru ukethira askari belle utuku na muthenya ngetine yawe no bakaritie te commissioner bakarite the premises eta eretwa banki area ikaragwa 24/7 Central Bank yetwara ikaragwa 24/7 ngavana arobicine ga tobicine ngavana imuchi kana atemuchi muchiyo awe yukaritwe so tengavana ugarua I premises ne institution eteka thokangwe kana yunangwa. That is one. Two, turi andamana turi antu ba Meru winro umwe no ntora to noete bishop governor nara senete etirwe pathological liar kinya bira utwonyorende ni morongo yaki ya koti. Why am I saying she is a pathological liar? I attended Ambario in Egoji. Ntorene ya Romiano, the MCA Egoji. Turi weta nara ntorene ra antuba mwanke nara baragwa thina ira tukuria kuno tureta utirito tharakanithi nonto cibitari cietu cia Meru itena ndawa na cibitari etu ekariona I regretted na ate antoyere vindrieu endera choka iri ataya kiuria ndime play if I enda chance. The person who is making us to demonstrate nika impeach na ekosa rimwe yari tumite impeach na ria mutheka pio kwari orongo that 86 million was collected towards sending off our brother Bernard Muthiani Sniper. Riuria mutheka na rekende leo mutheka maisha milele na milele. Ari orongo orwa a station ni yetawa oneo awate kwani na neke ne atumirachia ne kwaria 24/7 no tire news cia mtonge cietako na kinya ui mbere ya weta kwa tene renge to ina kwaya ndeta kumbetete kuina kigoco lakini kuma riu ntiona an opportunity ya ukoloma kuo I articulate issue cha Meru pora ibatere kuita wane anto bara pakuwa manto yake to make matter worse our own bishop araroma ke national media arawatekwa who is your PA? Who is this? Our close relative. Our close relative, it is our own sister. Akana mwaro ina. Okay, akwethiro our own bishop. No akane sister we life. No akane TV we life. No akane ritiba we bangwe life. Ni mbia tiombo torongochia. Ne weta koya the budget appropriation amiokerio nobodo enorongo. So there is nothing to believe. There is nothing to trust about the former governor of Meru. She's a pathological liar.
Thank you.
Na ba mwisho. Au imbibi otomatotora. Tuetora nonto ito kufil na ito kuibwa. Resources tieto ato situmerora kwagirite. Nonto na kunyocha yeto obisine na kureto na ngareto na mbeca cietu cia taxi na kuoya mbeca ka anto bamukaria na kinyaro uyu na arua na ukarinde na certain MCA bakibangora bakathangalane maandamano ya ruyu. We are telling her this, try and see. Baatu tuandikite barua twikiria OCS wa Mutindwa Meru Police Station nawe ache nwetire MCA na antu baku no betire kenda bukoloma bu counter na kwibange na bange akuringirite thimu aringira thimu mure akaringa thimu bonde barethete kuringa thimu bakieragia counter maandamano ya ruyu. We want to say this, muntu mwake akongarwa kanini ne antu bakawira bararethia kubanga na certain MCAs na MCO mo muchoro kwa mono.
That is an allegation.
Not an allegation, my friend. Let me tell you, we are dealing with a governor who is illegally in the office. Na antobara na bo bichine bato motrust kinyabo no ntoba kuona ni imposter. Na ande they are giving us information. The ira MCO kumero therio toringero mbicha na to atomero kumete. Na o toringira ibaraba ikondrene. So what I'm telling you, it is not an allegation. It is a true story. That night Bakarande, I am telling you the truth. He has called someone several times.
You cannot substantiate
and then go on a screenshot. When we speak these things, Bwana Martin, it's
okay.
So what we are saying is this. Mandram governor, the former governor wa Meru, muntu mwake akongaro royo, akaringwa akona kathina, ken demonstration ni nontoba manto yarare vya kubanga. Nelewe, she is an illegal former governor in the office, and we will deal with her. Ora tomba kundili ya raia.
Okay, watela. Kimo inkwanda tueta break tukiuma break ya commercial inkwanda tuchoka somewhere. Tuchuria tire. Ka county ya Meru special nonto governor akwa impeached. Koto onda ikauma itiche kuwa achogwa bisine ene interview ndebra bikwenda kapethirikare kate okay break tuchogwa nkethira nkithoma ntumiri ciaku ire wetete na mbere utuzumira kinya kiri mitandao yetu.
Kambuni yetu ya Rhino Mabati egwethete maguriko gwethia kugwethia kiri mabati jonthe. Kenero ofa yetu special ya factory kiri mabati jonthe ja tile profile za Germania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamii tile na Roman Jamil tile gauge 28 made ara magurija gwete kuma magana jana na mirongo ire monka magana mugwanja 45 wa kilomita, gauge 30 made kuma 680 na ndene 625 for meter na gauge 30 glossy kuma 575 na ndene 499 nake. Okenda mbeshe cia kuciurire guru jatoye murangi turiongire na arua ukenere offers cietu nawe Mumeru akiuga murojo na inchoni ukuruva mwato aja Rhino Mabati twethirwe tugikuthondekera mabati kwa miaka nande na tutakuringa nthi. Turiongire industry yetu ya Rhino Mabati irere kithoka njire na Meru gwita Ruire kana turingire thimu namba 0729 628199 kana 0740 229609 weka order yaku. Ukareka ofa ya nusu mwaka igukuruka. Ameru ndewerere mbere ng'ombe gekaragwa. Rhino Mabati, mabati zetu tukarie bietu. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
Je, unatafuta hoteli tulivu ya kifahari na ya kisasa ambapo unaweza kufurahia likizo pamoja na familia au marafiki? Basi karibu Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa. Tunapatikana katika barabara ya kutoka Meru kuelekea Isiolo, karibu na maili 7, takriban kilomita 11 kabla ya kufika mji wa Isiolo. Utapata uwanja mzuri na mpana unaoweza kutoshea hadi watu 5,000 kwa hafla zozote za nje kama vile harusi na mikutano, vyumba vya mikutano vya kisasa, kumbi nzuri za hafla kama vile sherehe za siku ya kuzaliwa, sehemu za burudani za nje kama vile nature walk trails, ziplining, swimming pool, camping na mahali pa watoto pa kuchezea, vyumba vya kulala vya kifahari na vyakula vya aina zote. Kwa wale walio na mikutano au kongamano, kuna chai na vitafunio, chakula cha mchana, chai ya alasiri na mtandao wa haraka. Tuna ofa maalum ya bidhaa teule, burudani ya karaoke kutoka kwa Wanji the Songbird kila Ijumaa, Jumamosi na Jumapili jioni na mengine mengi. Kwa habari zaidi, tembelea tovuti yetu www.kisimaniresort.com au tupigie simu kwa nambari 0742 205 295 au 0733 570 Kisimani Eco Resort and Spa Limited blends nature with modern hospitality.
In Zari, nothing is certain.
I don't think we'll ever be the same again.
Will you survive the jealousy?
Unajiona tajiri eh? Zitaisha tu tuone utaringa na pesa gani.
The secrets?
Ukiambia mtu yeyote boss.
Nini uniambia Luna?
The deception?
To family.
Will Nina survive Lola?
How is this possible?
The ultimate face-off. Zari continues weeknights at 8:30 on Maisha Magic Plus, DSTV channel 163, GoTV channel 3.
Bwana tuwete na mbere kurumira mubango yo RS siasa. Nam Kim ambere tutamove on kiri ntumirire chitumiao ingo post a very critical question. Ka county Emeru eri special tayo gazette notice ni kuma last week tariki 20 kawira hari ubisine aina security enangare na kwa sent to the budget gazette ikauma so ka county Emeru eri special kana kagwe no watho gute ku apply
kabuge kuna gap ire muno either kiri judicial system yetu kana pati tutiko kuna amwe government imwe itukarajeka iri ikwendera gwitangugirere pati nonto ikeja kwithirwa the timelines Senate Assembly ikia motion assembly jojo na timeline entuko muwanja Senate the same, I think it's 7 days. Ikathikirwa na igamba likagito. Then kuswa in the governor uroka unge the also timeline. Chiantuko 10 the first Thursday after 10 days. Ku ikuona ni system chetu cha judicial they are also questionable. Nontore how do you kweza na conservative order na ya agents alafu ukamea another mweri jomwe no erikana katiba ina timeline cha kuswa in the governor erect the 10 days to me I feel system chetu jorea I quote amenasil wakili wena gweta muno au ganjindisho officers sometimes kutumira migambo minene they are very rogue in terms of using their office yao ku disadvantage the other party no at the end of the day kinyakethwa timeline irio ibati kwithirwa chi between now and 10 days you bakeja bakaargue case yao kali 28 ba fairaga judge arengi ba before the 10 days chilapse aejana direction ya kwetha ni rekethirwa katiba ora yugite within the 10 days framework ikethirwa ikethirwa ko to where I sit case ya mbere kinya Kenyans ba complaina ora system rogue system ikari ko yezi neto it's not a special case ne kuthirwa their system chetu chia karire ungi na chitumika gutikaribuega but ikatuma ore ungi na wakaumia inawe kuthirwa mantu jawe jathirire but in the event mantu jaja kendria ikethirwa ondera judge itere kekwenda ku amend article 182 na murango jwa nyuma na ibati kuthirwa itegeri bwaga kana review kathithio before the 10 days ithira nontu ikeja kuthirwa ikarungama before the 10 days ithira ikeja kuthirwa ndi presidency igasetwa ni court impeachment process ikethirwa itina urito na uko joko na resort ile thithu thaiji ikuonania governor urawi kuna ndi atibati kwithirwa ari office-ine kuringana na unora tukuona ukari the Joro Korea is case ye Meru is special. I feel it's not special. Ni system yekarija ka chirog but I believe in the span a time yeje framework katiba ikitwe probably kuna interpretation ibati kodithwa kenda itika set a wrong presidents in future nongo tegera cases chonde ile cha impeachment ile dithitwe itomba kuthora kwena kuchanio zaiji itietete tonete impeachment ya wajia itonde is wajia Sonko na Waitito na uko na process cha very smooth lakini nonto wa kampire ngina yo it also a perception kire kampire Governor Kawira Magaja na team yawe na Rigo team ko ensure that in the period 10 days iko wekira antu bawe confidence as you are still in office whereas as the other party is saying you are still in office illegally ko iko hond iko watera kiviko gitara muicho kana iko gadrauga ntuko tia mtu kadira no mwanka you create a way of ensuring that systems chi go favor in way lakini ultimately jo tukuga wakiri ba moba kwira kinyo wegita wetheka wajora wakiri ugakutheka sila kwira there is a hope that ogo tonya ndene to gitata to agoreta ho the same case na Kawira the reality should hit by the way should hit to the team ya Kawira that kedra time yawe it's limited na it's unfortunate that she failed wawengwa na igi tukaga jarambuga kakajama ingi igeronda ya gwitebera na gitepati kuthokina murimo kaga affect anyone else because sheria nayo imusumeno itetaira kiriro gyaku kanambi what I mean on that is the reality can come out in the nora sheria yukite within the span of 10 days ingwitike that 10 days ikinya kuthira Meru kethora ina direction ikubwa.
Okay.
Yes.
Karuti icho indonere MCs bara pro Kawira Mwangaza baumire na bameneria Senator Bunene bawa Senator Kari Selfish ibonto ate kwenda mbeta tia ndani ya Meru ritinguiba county bari wa mishara and other services chumba kuthiyeta na mbere na kuringana na bo nati Kawira arubisine kisheria na no bati kwithira itungatira akariba county Meru so division hiyo ndio kuonekana ya kisiasa MCA baba ngibo 49 ibakirira tim tuturaibu akiaria but the rest but I feel Kadhuri Murungi senator now sabotage with na mbere po Meru is it so
Bana Edward, if we have a Linda in Meru na mtu soba very articulate na mtu kumeangwira batere kwithwa kirita kiri electorate bawe bara ba mutarire it is Senator Kadhuri Murungi. The same people that are making noise jumping up and down Senator Kadhuri Murungi yesterday and the day after yesterday, Barina committee ya Senate, the standing committee, who interrogate Muswanda yoawe, yora you could make counter assembly independent. Mantu ya maingi yara Senator didete, bamo babara lewa because by the assembly later, no na kuiba mo by ara atatumura moromo yoawe, kumara kuma assembly later, tinga ntukuera arere muma. lakini akithetera antu bawe bawondie we kana akireta one of them billion yombotethia muntu wa Meru not a single day ngweyo ni kwa parinde ndiara pakarirwo ni antu bele kana kuringia etuma kana wita kuthangala ni muchamano ya yungi twari na yuara helsa antu batiumba kuthithia ambil emwe no kaibwa akiwa sijui senator is not doing his work where I also not Senator Kadhuri Murungi athiritwe namba 3 more than 5 times kiri ranking no ritingwe bwawe muntu kwelewa the mandate that he has been given by the people of Meru and the constitution of Kenya could defend devolution na utuma devolution ye waki he was the co-chair wa kuongela mbecha cha devolution kuma K3 93 million to 45 billion nandre bamwe they are not informed nante banyonterani because Mumeru awire mbonya chore baku nangagwira wene we I don't know githai Mumeru kai muchunku I will show me your friends and I will tell you who you are. Now some of the people that you see surrounding the governor of Meru, they can tell you who is that governor. Olelia kuma ki cabinet wetakira antu bawe and then you compare cabinet ya Munya, cabinet ya Kiraito na cabinet ya barabangi na advisor babangi, then ukarealize ina thina chakawira chumite chionde. It is because of the people that are within a circle antu ba mumunta chemwange ake bamwa twete kwe baguraro mbura tore antu ruyu twete to can defend kwe mtu kwena ndigite ki social media to can defend biashara ti antu ba Meru kuma maandamano yaranjiria ibiashara yana baibwa ni inyomba yana baibwa chuni ndene Meru ne biashara bana baibwa bachuni mbecha ndene Meru ningari yana baibwa yethe ndene Meru kuma maandamano yaranjiria. And when you see someone who is very clueless atekwelewa imbia ku akiwa tokeyo kari biashara cha Meru twendra cite an example au antuka kwa na maandamano yeta makutano ya mutindo yeta agromone Antoine ibayero kento kinana that's why we are coming out tomorrow to defend na ukaria abiashara betu bateka dhulumiwe. So when you see you're surrounded by clueless people antu ate kuomba kwera waite rodhokia na antu bara bamukaretie it is the same people bara ba muruma bakawa bodhani oyo ete indre waka injuwe nyuete marwa bodhani oyo ete angate kuimenya angate kuchielewa nibo ende the key people ba mu defend ba murwera ba muthetera na ibo advisors bara bawe ba line nembere. So that's why I'm saying this. Senator Kadhuri Murungi is a man of wisdom, man of ela, muntu very sober. No nere kinyaru mwaero mantu aikirire seneti ki arawa let the Lord take it course ara and medho. So mugurura Kadhuri Murungi mwana reverend ura wita wa mukamati okabuyu akobia muntu very sober, muntu wina the heart of the people na muntu ukudhoaniria Kenya yonde, not just Meru. Ura tumbo tethene ura tuita tumba wita na mbere bwana Edward.
Now Kim, Senator Retwira Mutuma about you take over in acting capacity. Deputy Governor kabati wetu obisine tia governor kana abati kurutangwero obisine because senator ku about to take over iya kakona ni ata take over. What should happen kenda kumenya are in acting capacity?
Title a premise kana building theo the acting capacity nambi igeto minguga oni the issues ireyo senator is collecting in thoughts chawe which jore kuromba from kewe nonto iyo kwira on issue rende ni timelines. If there are timelines cha kuimpeach governor which itabatio kuruka, there are timelines cha kuswa in the governor which itabatio kuruka. Na true that governor na family that na impeach then abati gukara go appeal tuma are acting na wewe ngwa kira barungi kake ni swearing. You can as well stop the swearing in that ini ule ome mutuma ale ake office ine agitanguge through the county secretary don't know no tigi office. But you see lakini get the what you happening naru oroko happen ni team go clean on to power, whereas the law iga catch up tuga sheria ne ikagwata very soon ukona manzo jaja, unless the areas possible umba ku accept the reality, the better non to itike kugwata shock. It's better because I'm doing it for civic education. The best thing is kaba kugamerero kampira indera ire kringi take power things will ikabagwata little shock very soon na manzojo ambako jaba dokumono. Remember mpeda kwa an example nyoro wako kwitito wako nyoro etere okomboro office moya before swearing igachakacha ikoendera atetere office ni until he was swearing, lakini ukamenya function wodi kwitata ni kuendera kwa office building isn't tio tupati mutuma to idingia tupati kuita office na area kwa gavana kana tana we anya kethro ari is still in acting capacity but true probably if I stand corrected we can go through the county secretary, but now the thing stands no monka anto bakrin into the power, which nkugani as at now, unless court is an direction in jaga case on dera yezani niku ika, because we usually say sheria waka judgment ile dawa name for probably the next judgment ikaja kuthora ika stand and the 10 days wraps, then ikaja kuthora ina makosa mono non tuba kuthora le ika change ya ikageria ku amend the act all the katiba ora yezanite non to katiba neo itiona na ya vacuum ya witinangu ko as the IG mutuma jauba okay, it sound funny but mutuma still enjoys akapati kuthora kenjoaga, lakini on tuba system chetu ra chiakarere keto miokona nande there is still governor who was impeached still hold office na onda ziji ko gerwa ome rukiri dasa nogoro chiatuma ika inja the framers bakati bageto go to where is it very soon, as long as antuba be realize that ba tutori ngikura whether the governor or bara atongere batu bathuri responsibility manyoke ja kuirira ki mwananchi atebati hote mwananchi frustration chia wamba kuji express akaugana ndino tukatiba ni mweta kanya na ni mwere nafasi ya kuita kuji express ikanya kao kuikitata kuji, lakini igitare akinya tongiria sheria gakinye kubakwata batebati tolirira nontu itwathirire ngugi ku tarikira twalinga kura ko ingugi yao kwithirwa na ndi baitangu gibwaga bakereano ko in case MCAs bonere the only way to impeach Governor Kawira Mwangaza irresponsibility yao batwe itobati kumenya ketho senate ni approve za we mosh karote akuga they want to pile pressure that we governor na ngirwe na atibati kuthera office ikubati kuja court nayo kana ketho ya IG aiza na interpretation ya kuthera bakarende guru aiza na interpretation ya kuthera ruling yao kathithwa ne kethro iki tegaira mandu jange ja kejera au mbere on to the other day ite impeachment ya mwicho county ya Meru iketha kuna impeachment ingi na tie mbere yumite ko all these ruling chibati kuthora chiri in tandem kana ikethro ikierekeka kena mwananchi akeja kuthwa to involve non tunyaga chakacha itu kwa involve da ananchi bakaandamana rojo na ibarandamana ite bati kuthora nya ananchi bakiandamana bati kuthora bona nirwe bayere ithitwe urakuri kethwa gavana akaekando mutuma to thinkia akti mwankarira kisi kathikirwa kana ntuko ithire kethwa interpretation tithore kuthithwa mutuma to thinkia aswe in twendre jawajia ura beta michemanio bairi umogeta ndeje ugageta degi, but I hope that it's very important kia maana mono mwananchi vethero become ngugeje yetu twathiririria twarikire kura but it's also important kwitha tuki tuona mantu jatibui tukuria biuria so mwananchi akugana ndetite kuria why governor ari officini there is no need of fighting imto ntuko yawe kuandamana governor no ithiro giza timu governor ikoro ntuko yawe kuandamana there is no problem but at the end of the day mwananchi nabati kwa Mumiru ari nabati kwithirwa akionaga yota kana kona utungata burabati na Miru kethre ikiendelea gabaga
karuti tukiriki mubango yo maandamano yao yalirwa kaya sponsored te amiro ba uchumi ya bongwa kantu nyaba kwa afferent so maandamano ya kaya sponsored kanani amiro ba uchumi ya bongwa
bwana Edward noro ni maandamano lare ni maandamano Maua maandamano Kenjai maandamano Mutindwa maandamano Maua na maandamano Kubu nura ferite babarari lare nura ferite babarari Maua nura ferite babarari Kubu because I heard someone saying eti antwa kumanara mawembe bwaturetera waa and he has continuously been using that name waturetera unjinga bwa now and I don't think kitha mturaka kona antu bembe bariti mono and I have told him several times you cannot compare utumbo compare ntura yo ara umite na antu bembe ara bari we are more than professors baratu na boembe and doctors you cannot compare kum de mturo kwira antu bembe kana ina wa ata 3 form 4 that is one of the mistakes not governor ndawira someone saying oroku antu baubariana unjinga atathire form 4 lakini na kondrea kuruma antu na professors doctors kithomba abera bena wa it should be known that antu bembe batiriti maandamano yara ya kuthithwo ndene Meru to fundite I am one of the participant uto uniteka kwandamana ruare mbandamanite for the last 2 years nkithetaira Meru nkithetaira mwarimu wa isindri wa Meru ye orote kuthithirwa justice ora mwarimu otharakanithi kana Embu kana Kirinyaga kuthithirwa kwatuka mwarimu wa isindri wa Meru kakurira na aruera turi kakurira no ntoba mathina yara ukulukira muritingwe wa Kashu wa Meru kakurira no nto atwire ke maratas in contract basis mwanka narua chukarira au mwana muritingoro kwegera thoko urokurichia manto yara ba ukulukira antu baibo barato kuandamanira kenda bona freedom and for the justice of ECD teachers in Meru kawira must go na naitire katono mwankato robishine for the justice of the mandates ba Meru ye baraba tetherie kawira does not understand that antu baraba mwekere tena kirakaririte na arua ni mandaitari ba Meru ye na nurses ba Meru ye bake mutanda muntu cindano bo mwiroringire mama kure itugona ya mwe kuruyo atutethia but to make matter worse arokaririte ki iro mandaitari ya kurira nkuluki ora barira kinya kirinchi mwingi so bwana Edward bila tukua katukua atiri tutikuandamana nonto bathina chietu na uninda kwire bwana Edward and note this anto watu muntu tulanite turetie ndakwira utete kwenda county woni tutituto kwewa tu thina muno itike aku kyo turerio karombo kaewa itiri wa nainchi ba kwa katuritrengwe nitike maana muno tutituto kwewa nwenga warugiri wendo karire to thutira ukerwa turoke ngwo kebelete ne bwana Edward na ibo ntongo kwira tutito kwewa tutibata muno nete rokona I'm not interested na tutitu what we are saying turi andamana no ntobo antu bero baraba kuthithirwa injustice turi andamana no ntoba mutano retu sniper mwekururo sniper irina twana twawe turi andamana no nto bwa injustice ire kuthithirwa linda signature yawe kathithwo forgery turi andamana no ntoba vinjini to andamana no ntoba bakubu to andamana no ntoba mwekuro ntweruaki to andamana no ntoba ndaitari mwambi mtu job group wanga imbia kaendo weta kuritha chungura nara kaguru those are the people that we are saying mandam former governor wa Meru ye na tukinyangite and Meru is crawling Meru is not running and Meru is a wonderful county maana mono ironto to kwa royo tutura itwende wetokira twende ituture twire mandam former governor wa Meru the pathological liar that atiba tere kuthwaru bichine nonto kinyake akieta na irwo na ritora mwathani na akari orongo akona akana mwaro ina bwiri kwana gwithura tu bichine.
Wow.
Naite.
Thank you very much Bwana Kim. Tafadhali second year Kim tukurenda gatina.
Ankwira Meru kia mwana muno to maintain peace. Na bange moro ro kwandamana no it's right yawe na atibati kugwatanwa. We've sent kugira tutumite mwaka iri mutembei tukiara ya mantu za dirikuiti na mbere patrikari. Iyo nkuga oni ukeja kuthoro utumba murimu ojo gwitemera zuti murimu. Kwa the end of the day is justice ni serve both sides na mumiro one yotore yawe no ntadero the kia maana mono ni mumiro akinyanirwe ni ugima mwiri na development nekeja kuthora ni county assembly on that impediment ya mantu za jonde ni kweberia kawira mwangaza then nawe na ara responsibility myake iri kuthikira na gukara na nya advice ira mutembe yo mwete tu ya time yo pure kabisa yonde buru ensure ako streamline na gwitanira bangi okay then it's unfortunate time yawe akinya mwicho na imbugire ni kaba kwira kugamerero because at the day I need to prepare someone mapema that itikeja kwithora shock akiyo the first makosa ketha no lemero kwita assembly gwitetera why no ate okona jakana nde okona gwite because at the day na inko chokeria assembly county assembly no impeachment ya thirire ketha no le gwitetera no then it's unfortunate this ngoge kutira.
Wow. Thank you very much Kim no tubo kuona kanya. Thank you very much Bwana Karoti no tubo kuona kanya kuya kiri mubango yo pyo wetera nende ni kuona tu record urade kethira rikiwa moving forward kenda kuona the fair interpretation ile kwa court. It has been done and dusted. Thank you very much.